So next up, guys, got a really nice barn find here. This is a Allis-Chalmers D17 Series 3 with the Allis-Chalmers 400 front loader on it, and it's coming with the full setup. So you're getting the Woods Cadet 72 mower here. It's got a 2-point hitch there on the tractor. I believe that's a 540 PTO. Yeah, he's just really clean Allis tractor. It's got the loader, it's got the mower, real handy. Got a good seat on it. I'm here with Bob. He'll fire it up, give you a nice video of the whole unit. Starts right up there, guys. Nice little gas tractor. Starts real easy. Run the bucket for you. Take her forward and reverse here. We'll kind of drop that mower and raise it for you. That does turn. PTO works. Mower does everything it's supposed to. Bob will give you a reverse here too. You want to give him reverse quick, Bob? Reverse there. Yep. She revs up nice and strong. Real nice looking little tractor. Got the whole setup. So you got your mower, you got your loader. Real handy little unit. So it'll run everything strong there for you. So there's the demo, guys, on the Allis-Chalmers D17 Series 3 tractor. You got the loader, you got the mower. All for one money. A real nice little handy unit. So good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.